Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you're looking for a utility pump, look no further. This submersible sump pump is from $66.99 and it does a great job. We actually use this pump to empty out our pool. One of our favorite things about it is that it's so easy to connect the hose. They also have options for different diameter hoses, which is nice. But this pump is just really simple and easy to use. Once you connect it to power, you simply will drop it into your water source, in our case a pool, but you can also, of course, use it in a well or wherever there's been a flood, and you just drop it in there and it starts to work automatically. This little pump will move up to 4,500 gallons per hour, which is so fast. Here it is getting started, and once it gets going, it really does get going. It works really, really fast, which is so ideal. Our pool is not huge, but we were able to empty it out completely in less than 1 day, which was really great. This pump is really well made. It has a good weight to it, so it sinks right to the bottom, and it's very sturdy. Another really cool feature about this pump is the automatic float switch. It automatically stops when it detects the water is less than 1.5 inches, and it restarts once it's above 7 inches. So it's really nice that you don't have to manually operate it. It does it on its own. So if you're in the market for a submersible sump pump, definitely get this one from $66.99. You won't be disappointed. It's heavy duty, it works really fast, and you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.